Ever felt like your flight simulator just wasn't quite real enough? Like the controller in your hands wasn't capturing the thrill of soaring through the skies? The right gear changes everything. With the Thrustmaster HOTAS system, you get a hands-on throttle and stick setup that brings your flight games to life in ways you didn't think possible. I've spent hours flying everything from modern air combat jets to vintage warplanes and even space adventures, and the difference is clear. Unlike a standard controller, this setup offers high-precision controls that respond instantly to every move. The first time I used the rudder pedals, I noticed how smooth and natural the steering felt, thanks to the innovative S.M.A.R.T slide rail system. Plus, the pedals are ergonomically designed so you can comfortably place your entire foot on each one, with removable heel rests that make long sessions easier on your legs. The throttle itself is a game changer. It's large and detachable, with 5 axes, 14 buttons, a rapid-fire trigger, and a multi-directional hat switch for navigating panoramic views or menus. It's designed to put every command at your fingertips without clutter or confusion. And when paired with the official Xbox console buttons, guide, view, and menu, switching between your game and console menus is seamless, keeping you in the action without missing a beat. Gamers across the United States are already raving about it. One user called it perfect for combat and Microsoft Flight Simulator, saying it feels far more realistic than any controller could. That's the kind of credibility that matters when you're investing in gear that's supposed to elevate your gameplay. If you're serious about flight simulation and want controls that match your passion, this setup is worth a look. It's not just about playing, it's about experiencing every twist, turn, and throttle push like you're really in the cockpit. Whether you're a casual flyer or a dedicated pilot, the precision and comfort this system offers will change how you play. Ready to take your flight simulation to the next level? Try the Thrustmaster HOTAS system when you're ready and feel the difference for yourself. It's the gear that turns good games into unforgettable adventures.